everyone, I'm Thales. Many people ask me about my systems and the durability of the installation. But first, I need to say that I'm a man who does many activities such as beach volleyball, gym, and I love going to samba on the weekends. And for that, I will use a new technology from Lavivid. The Lavivid Nicolas hair is a meticulously crafted mono-based hair replacement system. And the special part is the scallop-shaped hairline, which makes it more natural. And the wool, mono, and skin combination makes it very durable and more suitable for my lifestyle to practice sports, cause I sweat a lot. It is structured with mono material at the top, reinforced PU around the perimeter, and bleached lace in the front. It features a bold scallop-shaped PU edge in the front, connecting with the lace. This design makes the entire base very strong, easily manageable, and allows the hair to flow just like real hair. This specially crafted base is very easy to work with, making the application, removal, and cleaning process much more straightforward. I install my system normally, as I always do. I apply the adhesive tape to the base, then remove all the protective paper and apply it from front to the back, pressing down hard, and on the front line I use a transparent glue to give it a more realistic finish. I leave it for a few minutes with a hairband to fix it better, and after that I run to ask a professional help to get the haircut. And man, I look beautiful, seriously. Now, besides feeling confident, handsome, and very stylish, I can play beach volleyball without worries or inconveniences. I hope you like it, so comment here what you thought of this hair. And don't forget to follow Lavivid Hair on social medias. Kisses.